Yes, it was in the Piedmont area of North Carolina.
That's it.
Uh, my fifth great grandfather, Adam Campbell, was one of the first settlers along the Hunting Creek in North Carolina. It was then Rowan County. And I wrote a book about his ancestry and descendants last year. And this year I decided I would look into their activities during the American Revolution. And he had two older sons that were both in the Revolutionary War. His son William and John, they were old enough. The oldest one, William, at 19, he was the one that I wrote the Substack article about, how they raced across North Carolina for one of the first battles down in near Wilmington and defeated the British. And this led me to try to figure out, well, were there other people along this area called Hunting Creek that were also in the war? And what I found was I've been tracking all of the families that settled in that area in the 1700s, and I've come up with 300 families. And of those 300 families, I found 90 patriots and 42 pensions that were filed for the families that lived in that area. And I also found one loyalist who fought with the British against the Patriots. So right now I'm trying to put this all together. There's some really fascinating stories. The family has been having reunions in an area called Union Grove, North Carolina for 100 years. And I commemorated that anniversary of their reunion last year. And when they first started having reunions, they didn't know anything about the Revolutionary War participation because the pension abstracts were not readily available. So putting this all together, it's making fascinating reading, and I've got hundreds of stories that are potentially coming out of this. And I'm going to give a talk at a local library in North Carolina at the next anniversary reunion to tell them and try to get people that are still there interested in the Revolutionary War history. We also did a DNA study on the family, and we found all those people that left North Carolina and went throughout other parts of the United States and are descended from the same Adam Campbell family. We even found some slaves that were born from marriages between the family or children from the family and the slaves. And we've connected with them and are making a connection to the African-American descendants of the family as well. So it's a big story. I'm a former military intelligence analyst, so this is right up my alley of trying to put things together in really complex, big problems with lots of information.